Hello and welcome back to another video for HVAC-Calcs. This is actually a lighter version, and this is an Excel spreadsheet that has most of the calculations that I have shown in my HVAC-Calcs file for iOS devices. This you can put on your phone, you can put this on your computer. Just send me your email address and I will email this to you. And a quick run through, here's all the airflow calculations, as you've seen before. Filter face, sizing for heat strips, clocking a gas meter, and PTU output for gas. So there's all those. Here's all the fan laws. I put them on separate sheets and made them a little narrower so it's easier to look at on a phone. Here's all your psychometrics and refrigerant charging, some conversions up top, some coil capacity calculators at sea level. Here's one compensating for relative humidity and elevation, target air, recovery tank stuff, calculate superheat on a fixed orifice, calculating subcooling on a TXV, measuring delta T across evaporator coil, compression ratio, etc. Properties of air, return air, supply air. I did the calculations down here. I did them a couple different ways. You'll see where your total heat minus your sensible equals your latent, and you can see they're slightly different. And this is one using air density, and like I said, they come out pretty close. That's your properties of air. Duct traverse. This one's a little more involved. This is just basically the maximum number of points, and you put in your length and your width of your duct, or if it's a round duct, put this in here. Over here, here's your drill points if you're traversing a duct and you were going to use your manometer. Put your length and width in, and this will be all your traverse points. Again, I did them in millimeters because it's so much easier to divide things into millimeters and fractions. On the other file that you would use on your iOS device, you get inches and millimeters in many cases. And adjusting your CFM for temperature and altitude. That's a nice little calculation. Here's some simple conversions: millimeters to nearest fraction on a construction tape, millimeters to inches decimal, millimeters to nearest fraction, temperature Celsius Fahrenheit. Here's some basic pipe bending. Amount of gain or stretch to be subtracted from the measured length. Put in your radius of your bender. If you're using millimeters, or you can do it in inches. Degree of bend. Here's your developed lengths. Here's your K. Here's your gain. And here's standard gains by angle based on this type of bender. If you change that to 6-inch bender, you'll see all the numbers change. So in the psychometrics, I also forgot to add, I put some charts here for calculating. This will take you over to the chart. You can look up the chart if you want. And this returns you back to the calcs. That's the chart for target evap temperature. And there's another one in here somewhere. This good old chart. Indoor wet bulb. Outdoor temp I stole from AC Service Tech. And that is basically it. Thanks for watching.